Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Yeah, sure.
You can also use it. All these I'm showing you, they're for free.
Yeah,
But
absolutely.
if you want to have a Turkish bath,
Yeah.
it's a warm, like a scrub, the foam massage, that's when you pay extra. £25 or €30.
Okay.
And then for the rest, you get towels here every day, 9 to 8.
9 to 8, all right, perfect.
Do you know the prices?
I think no, actually we don't.
This is
All
what
right.
we do.
Okay, perfect.
They do the scrub, foam massage, oil massage, face mask, everything for 1 hour.
Okay.
And then you can have aroma massage, you can have anti-stress massage, medical massage. You can use choose any of these oils that they use, and the massage is full body. Okay. And then you have lymph drainage massage. Sometimes
banana.
Yeah, that one smells better. Okay.
Sometimes
We take that.
pain in here.
Yeah.
In the stomach because our lymph system is blocked.
Okay.
All those kinds of massages, and then they're here behind there. Hot stone, cellulite massage.
Right.
For example, you work long time, you have back pain. Most of the time, you have all those treatment massages.
Right,
So
right.
when you come, we can fix this kind of massage in one of these programs.
Okay,
This one
perfect.
takes 1 hour program, half
Okay.
hour massage and then Turkish bath.
Okay.
Or you can decide to just have a Turkish bath or just a massage, but the prices are the same. We take hours.
Take it, okay.
Half hour or 1 hour.
Oh, 1 hour,
This
okay.
one 1 hour massage and then half hour. Altogether 1 hour and 40 minutes. This is 1 hour and 10 minutes.
Okay.
Then this is deep tissue massage with medical treatment massage.
Okay.
Then hot stone massage. These two one of the best. And
Right.
also for your
I like
scalp,
the way they actually put pounds in it.
yeah. You can use any of this or coffee peeling or salt peeling.
It's like the
Sometimes
scrub.
we have itches on our body because
Yeah.
our pores are blocked. So when you do scrub, all your pores open. All your toxic comes out. So some people do that.
Oh, she's selling this right now. Are you into sales?
Some people don't know.
Really nice.
Some people don't know about it. And
Okay.
we have treatment things.
Is that sugar scrub? Or what is it?
No,
Is
it's
there
a
sugar in it?
salt.
A salt.
It
Oh,
has all skin repairs.
Okay,
and then
right.
It is treated.
right.
There's that one we
Not
have
for my
plain.
face, because I've got like.
Well, they're
Yeah,
not
so
gonna.
that's when they use this one.
Okay.
And then after that, everything after you do, there's face mask. It's on the package
Okay.
program.
Right.
For any of that, you come tell me.
All right, perfect. I'll take. You can take this, yeah. All right, perfect. Thank you.
Wait.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll
Right, so it's room tour, guys. So you just go straight in, straight up. The first thing you see is the bathroom. It's a little bit messy right now because obviously, yeah. So you got the toilet there. You got all your shower stuff there. I'm trying to wash this, so ignore it. And you got a blow dryer. You've got a mirror here with the light, which is quite cute. And then the shower is just here, which is just a basic, you know, shower shebang. So yeah, when you come straight out, you have this little, obviously you get all that fire nonsense, da 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 da. This is where you can control all the good stuff if you want it warm or light. It comes with a little storage that's not been filled up with nothing because we still have our boxes out. Then straight up is, the box is still pretty much open. You have the bed over there. It's a double bed, king size, if that makes sense. You have the light is really good though, I like it. So normal simple beds, we just got some things delivered today. Then over here you just have another massive mirror across. In there is the TV. That TV is that little white thing there, which is quite cute actually. So the mirror goes from there to there. And then you get a dressing table. The fridge is just down there. And as you can see, your stuff is literally just everywhere, so ignore it. But this is the interesting bit anyway. You get plug socket on each side, but there's only a dressing table on there, so I literally just moved that chair from here over there because I need something to put my stuff and my phone on. But yeah, this is the fun bit, guys. We have a little, this is so cute, a balcony with like 2 chairs at a table. So if you do smoke or you just want to, like, we would not love this view, guys. Have you seen that? Have you seen the state of that thing? That looks really nice. And that's the hotel pool just down there as well. People are just chilling. You can have your breakfast there. And you know, not too much to say, just enjoy the view. There's some rocks up there. I don't know if you guys can see it. There's literally just rocks up there. It comes all the way around. Yeah, so it looks really, really good. And there's a thing we could go downstairs to get closer to the water. Beachfront, I guess. Yeah, but this is nice. And then the bottom is just like this. And straight back into the room.
get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And